these fraud syndicates have to have an attorney, a law office sign on because the whole point is filing an application for adjudication, a lawsuit, and they have to have a law office behind that. So they go and they're predatory against law firms to try to pull them into their schemes.
Yeah, I mean, listen, what does a lawyer bring to the table that nobody else brings in these syndicates? What does a lawyer bring? If a person is represented by an attorney, you cannot talk to them. Think about it. So as soon as they say that my client is represented by an attorney, by a law firm, they can completely insulate that patient and control the person, right? They can't talk to the person directly. If the person is not represented legally, then it's really easy. Because even when we wanted to talk to the patient and we were in law enforcement, we had to either have a situation where the patient was complaining against their lawyer, right? In other words, they're either suing their lawyer, leaving their lawyer, we're unhappy with their lawyer, or we had to get the lawyer's permission to talk to their clients. Because I'll tell you why that is. In every state in this country, that relationship between an attorney and a client is a very sacred one. And lawyers can lose their bar cards violating the rules. So in California, for example, which is where we're at, you could maybe legally and constitutionally, you can talk to people, but you could lose your bar card if the bar comes after you and says, hey, you were violating the rules, the bar rules, which is the reason we gave you the license. If they come after you, you could lose your bar card. So what the lawyers bring to these schemes, and I'm not saying all of them. So, I mean, I hope it's clear during our conversation that we're talking about the bad actors, not the good actors who help a lot of people. But what the bad actors bring to this is it is an opportunity to insulate the injured worker, right? Nobody can talk to them. They feel like insecure because the person tells them, hey, we're here for you. We'll answer questions for you. Don't answer questions. Nobody, you don't want to talk to them. You don't want to trust these guys. They're not going to give you anything. They're going to pretend like you're the liar. You don't want to do that. So they're already feeling vulnerable. So they're going to listen to that person. Right? And then the lawyer brings in the settlement to them. Hey, you want to sign off on this compromise and rate? They denied your claim and they think you're lying. Just sign this. It's $3,000. It's better than nothing. And then go with God, right? Go away. And so the client thinks, well, I got something. I got $3,000 out of it. And they don't know what should have been given to them. All the benefits that should have been given to them if they were legitimately an injured worker in the work comp system.